So long. Bobby, it sure is nice of you to make me a little man. Oh, Bobby, it's just the right size. What you doing now, Bobby? Oh, I'm right. Well, isn't that nice, Bobby?